Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature some more hair transformations. So if you are looking for inspiring hairstyle ideas, you've definitely come to the right place. Now, if you do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, do me a favor, give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Now, without further ado, let's get into today's hair transformations. We have a cute pixie cut here, asymmetrical. Very nice. Love the longer bangs. Followed by another chic pixie style. There's so many pixies that are going to be trending for the fall season. So if you are thinking of cutting your hair, now is the perfect time to go short, try something new. So here we have someone cutting off a long braid. Oh wow, her hair is so thick. I thought that was one big braid. She's actually got 4 of them. So 9 times out of 10, I can tell you that she is probably most likely donating that hair. Such gorgeous thick hair. And she ends up getting this really chic pixie style, bangs going there in the front, longer sideburns. So sophisticated and polished. I love it. Beautiful. Love how she paired this with the red lip too. Very cute. Ooh. So we have a cut refresh here. Honestly, it doesn't even look like she needed a cut refresh. Her pixie looked really good to begin with, but I'm very curious to see what the stylist is going to do here, or the barber. So it looks like he's doing a nice lineup. Beautiful shade work. Doing a bit of a trim. I wonder how often she goes to get a nice cut refresh. I know some women with short hair like to go like once a month. Some can go as often as every 2 weeks. I think it just depends on how fast your hair grows and the overall style that you want to maintain. So here we have someone else. Looks like she's going to be getting a bob. Beautiful blunt cut here. Oh, and it comes to just around jaw length. Beautiful. And this is a very popular cut for the fall season. A lot of women are getting that jaw length style bob or chin length. Ooh, love her pixie. Looks like she's getting a cut refresh. So cute. Oh, she went platinum. Oh, I am in love. I love the platinum color. And like I said, this is going to be a very popular look for this fall season. We saw it a lot this year. And the trend just continues to grow. It is just absolutely gorgeous on numerous complexions. Beautifully done. Oh, I love her shirt. Very Halloween. So here we have a nice bob with the bangs. Bottleneck style bangs. Just adding a little something to the front. And then we have someone here with a bob. Stylist does a nice haircut into a pixie transformation here. Oh, wow. Very cute. I love it. Oh, she looks beautiful. So here we have someone with long waist length hair. She shakes things up with a nice shoulder length bob. Beautiful. So here it looks like we have a cut refresh. There is the inspiration, a beautiful bob haircut. This frames her face perfectly. She's got that angled style here. Nice amount of volume through this cut as well. So here we have someone that looks like she's in the salon for a cut refresh. Oh, look how much volume she has with this pixie. Oh, this is gorgeous. I love the color too, and it frames her face so perfectly. This stylist has an amazing way of just framing the face with his haircuts. So here we have someone, she has some salt and pepper hair color going here. Stylist kind of does like a cut refresh. I really like how her bangs are like platinum and then the rest of her hair is black. Beautiful contrast. Reminds me of Cruella de Vil.